Hi everybody, I'm Quentin Delajudi from Solti Software, and today I'm going to show you how to install and use the option Login on Simple Inventory Manager. First, go to Tools, Configuration, and Edit Config. Once it's open, go to the bottom of the list and type in uppercase letter diver login and 1. Save and exit and restart SIM to apply the changes. Now that the option is installed, we are gonna see how to use it. Connect yourself to the admin account. The default password is admin in lowercase letter, but you can change it later. Once you are connected, go to Tools and Administration to create new users or modify rights for existing accounts. To close your session and go back to the login page, click on Login on top of the screen. Now you know how to add and use the option Login on Simple Inventory Manager. Please click on the thumbs up button if you find this video useful and subscribe to see more tutorials on our products.